to show you how to do a magic trick, poking pencils through a Ziploc bag with water inside. So first you gotta fill your bag full of water.
I already messed this up.
Fill
Big
it up
time.
with water. Mostly all the way. And then you want to start poking pencils through. And it's okay if you don't fail because it's right down there.
Is that a hole or something?
Yeah.
That's a hole.
So don't mess up like this. Tyler just messed up everything.
Okay, let's do another one. No. That was a complete fail too.
Okay.
Falling. Could you hold this too?
What's heavy?
Uh-oh.
Poke it through. There. And that's how you do an amazing magic trick.
Where's another pencil?
So be careful with this.
Do not eat on it.
Yeah, be careful with this trick because it will get really messy.
There's a big hole in the other side. Oh my god. Oh my god. Katie! No, Katie! Katie! No, Katie! Katie!
So that's how you do it.
Katie!
That's how you do it.
Katie!
It's
Katie!
it is just bad. So I hope you liked it. I know this is really short, but it's a really cool trick that you could do on your friends and family.
Oh my god.
See you later.
This